Welcome to a quick demo on configuring a domain for your backend deployments on ToyStack. To do this, you'll need two things. One is access to your backend repository on the ToyStack dashboard, and it has to be activated. And the other one is access to your domain manager. I have both of them here. Let me quickly jump into the steps. Go to repository settings, click on domains, and under the external domain section, enter the domain you would like to link to your deployment. I will call it my first application.divin.pro. And this domain is the one which I have access to on my domain manager, right? Now I'll need to enter the branch. I'll enter the branch 001 domain. And once I add it, I'll have records generated here which need to be configured on the domain manager. Right? I got records. Now let me configure these. After hitting on enter here, it takes a few minutes for these records to be identified and activated. Looks like the validation is complete and the domain is now available. Let's initiate a deployment. I'll choose the branch 001 which I configured to the link. Now it takes a few seconds to deploy. Now that it's deployed, let me access that link right away. That is it. The domain is now linked to the branch.